Welcome to Handiworks, where today we're embarking on a special project, 10 animal cartoon designs that are as unique as they are adorable. I'll be using cotton fabric to bring these cartoon characters to life through the art of appliqué and embroidery. So, let's dive in and unleash our creativity. Appliqué is the art of layering fabric shapes onto a base fabric to create designs or patterns. In this tutorial, I'll be using appliqué to add charming animal characters to my projects. By carefully cutting and adhering fabric shapes with fabric glue, I'll bring my designs to life before adding intricate embroidery stitches for added detail and texture. With weaving stitch, I'll meticulously weave threads in a crisscross pattern, mimicking the texture and appearance of fish scales. Using layered lazy daisy stitch, I'll carefully layer delicate stitches to form the graceful curves and contours of the tail. As we turn our attention to the delightful bird design, crafted from delicate pink fabric, we're about to witness a symphony of colors and stitches. I fix my hoop with an adjustable embroidery stand. This not only prevents shaking, but also provides a comfortable and convenient setup for the entire project. If you're interested in these embroidery essentials, you can find them on my Handy Store website at handystore.shop. The fishbone stitch creates a stunning array of angled stitches that mimic the natural pattern of feathers, adding depth and texture to our avian friend. I utilized my new A4 LED tracing pad for transferring patterns onto the fabric. This thin tablet is equipped with LED lights, making it effortless to trace any kind of patterns onto fabric with precision and ease. Next up is the rooster, crafted from bold blue, vibrant yellow, and fiery red fabrics. With lazy daisy stitch, chain stitch, and cretin stitch, we'll create a design that crows with personality and flair. I have put together limited edition embroidery kits for this project, complete with fabrics, heat erasable pens, patterns, and embroidery flosses. Grab yours now at Handistorder shop and unleash your creativity today. These fun embroidered animals are perfect for adding a touch of whimsy to your kids' clothes, t-shirts, dresses, and more. Crafted from vibrant orange and blue fabrics, the crab design exudes energy and whimsy. Finally, the chevron stitch is used to create the crab's distinctive shell pattern, with rows of V-shaped stitches forming a captivating geometric motif. Moving on to the owl design, cut from contrasting black and orange fabrics. With cat's on stitch, satin stitch, and seed stitch, we'll create a design that hoots with wisdom and whimsy. Now let's tackle the bear design, crafted from cozy brown and soft beige fabrics. With French knot and backstitch, I'll create a design that snuggles with warmth and comfort. Crafted from off-white fabric reminiscent of freshly fallen snow, the rabbit design exudes purity and innocence. With the delicate fly stitch, each ear is meticulously crafted to perfection, creating a sense of depth and dimension that adds to the rabbit's endearing charm. On to the sheep design, crafted from fluffy white and gentle beige fabrics. With detached buttonhole stitch, satin stitch, and French knot, we'll create a design that grazes with sweetness and serenity. Leaping into the frog design, cut from vibrant green fabric. With raised chain stitch, satin stitch, and French knot, I'll create a design that ribbits with energy and life. Let's dive into the deer design, a cozy depiction of forest charm. Crafted from dark brown and light beige fabrics, it brings the tranquility of nature to life. For the deer's antlers, I used a simple rope stitch, adding a rustic touch to its elegant form. Thanks for joining me on this journey through nature's wonders. Together, we've brought these charming creatures to life with stitches and fabric. Until next time, keep creating and embracing the beauty around you. Happy stitching!